Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V40 SE, and today I will show you how you can format SD card on your device. So to get started, open up your settings and then scroll down to RAM and storage space. And then in the drop down menu right over here, make sure you select your SD card, which is the second option, the one that is not called this device. And once it's selected, you can click on the three dots and select Format. Format, this will give you a quick message letting you know that everything on the card will be deleted. So if you have anything there that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now that out of the way, let's select Format second time, which begins deleting the data. Only takes a couple seconds, and once it's finished, which is now, you can click on Done, and that's it. The card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.